Today we're going to find out if we can prevent Apple from downclocking this iPhone 6s by hooking it to a car battery and turbocharging the battery. As many of you know, the reason why iPhones slow down over time is because the battery inside the iPhone can no longer put out enough juice to fully power the processor. What we're going to do today is use a 12-volt car battery to unlock the potential of the battery again in this iPhone 6s. And Apple doesn't want you to know this.
Knowledge.
Knowledge is power, quite literally in this circumstance. Before we electrify this iPhone 6s, let's go ahead and benchmark it before and after to see if we get any improvement. Here we go. So we're seeing how it does in the Geekbench 4 CPU benchmark. The battery in this iPhone 6s is so bad that it kept shutting down during the benchmark. Well, it turned off. What in the world? Trying to open the benchmark software, can't do it, and it just shut off again. But after several attempts, we got it to complete, and as you can see, the benchmark result is terrible. Only 1,500 when it should be around 2,400 and a little bit over 4,000 for the multi-core score. It is just really underperforming. That's bad.
That's really, really bad.
This thing really needs a performance boost. So let's go ahead and unlock the full potential of this iPhone 6s battery again. Whoa, it just started back up again. Okay, so we're all hooked up over there, and we're ready to go here. It's time to zap the iPhone. See if this works. Oh my gosh! Okay, let's run Geekbench again, one more time. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Run benchmark. Okay, here it goes. Check it out. Boom! Nailed it. Look at that score and multi-core. It is back to normal. Solid performance. Can't believe this worked. I thought for sure this was fake when I read about it online, and now I'm a believer. This is freaking amazing. We went from a phone that literally couldn't boot up barely to being able to just rock that benchmark at top peak performance like it did when it was brand new.
It's a success. It worked. It's a thing.
I seriously wonder about the science behind why it unlocks the full potential of the battery again.
If you have any idea, leave your comments down below.
Yeah, leave your comments down below as to why it works. I am flabbergasted right now. Freaking epic. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little science experiment, and it's very practical this time. So let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos. More awesome content coming soon. We'll see you next time. Brandon, out. Woo!
Woo.
Better woo, please. Woo! If you don't know, this is a crazy trick that people have done for many years. It's kind of obscure, but we're gonna bring it back today.
Yeah. This is hard. This is really hard to stay serious with.